Unlocking the joy of rainy day playtime. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delightful topic that many of us can relate to, especially during those gloomy, rainy days. We're going to explore the meaning and charm behind the phrase, rainy day playtime. This concept is not just about finding activities to pass the time. It's about embracing the joy and creativity that can flourish even when the weather outside is less than sunny. So, grab a cozy blanket and let's get started. First things first, let's break down the phrase, rainy day playtime. At its core, this phrase combines two key elements: rainy day, which refers to days when the sky is filled with clouds and rain is pouring down, and playtime, which signifies a period dedicated to playing, relaxation, and enjoyment. When put together, the phrase encapsulates the concept of making the most out of a day that might otherwise be considered dreary or uneventful by engaging in fun, indoor activities. You might wonder why this phrase deserves attention. Rainy day playtime is more than just a way to keep busy when it's raining outside. It's a mindset that encourages creativity, relaxation, and family bonding. During these moments, children and adults alike can discover new hobbies, spend quality time together, and create lasting memories, all while the rain provides a soothing backdrop. It's about finding light and happiness in moments that might otherwise be overlooked. Now that we understand the significance of rainy day playtime, let's talk about how to bring this concept to life. There are countless activities to enjoy, from crafting and cooking to reading and playing board games. The key is to choose activities that feel special and different from your everyday routine, turning a simple day at home into an adventure. Whether it's building a fort out of blankets, having a movie marathon with your favorite snacks, or creating art, the possibilities are endless. To truly embrace rainy day playtime, here are a few tips. Be prepared. Have a list of activities ready for those unexpected rainy days. Involve everyone. Make sure there are options that cater to all ages and interests in your household. Be spontaneous. Sometimes, the best memories are made when you let the day unfold naturally without strict planning. Create a cozy atmosphere. Use soft lighting, comfortable seating, and maybe even the sound of rain to enhance the ambiance. We hope this exploration of rainy day playtime has inspired you to see the rainy days in a new light. Remember, every cloud has a silver lining, and every rainy day is an opportunity for play, creativity, and togetherness. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing how you make the most of your rainy days. Stay cozy, stay creative, and as always, keep learning.